You are going to love the 2021 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, trip computer, clock, compass, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, brake assist, day-night rear-view mirror. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.